An overflow of blessings to everyone for our daily episode now at Exodus chapter 37 in verse 17 up to verse 24. Bezalel made a lampstand of pure gold. The whole lampstand, including its decorative flowers, was made from a single piece of hammered gold, with 3 branches on each of its 2 sides. There were 3 decorative almond blossoms on each branch, and 4 on the stem. There was also a blossom where each pair of branches came out from the stem. The lampstand, including its branches and decorative flowers, was made from a single piece of hammered pure gold. The lamp and its equipments, including the tongs and trays, were made of 35 kilograms of pure gold. So this passage is about the creation of the tabernacle pertaining to the lampstand, the lamps, and everything that is needed. So the purpose of it is, of course, for lighting. Because as we are fully aware that in the Old Testament, there is no electricity yet. So, their means of lighting is to use lamp. Of course, it is fueled by oil, probably olive oil or any other oil. See, they was able to figure it out. As long as we are fully aware that this is the Lord who give the instruction, the command, even the measurements, the design, and the materials that needs to be used. Then, of course, they use it. See? That's how God is. If there is a problem, there is a solution. And God will give us a specific command to every problem for it to be solved. Both in the Old Testament and even in the New Testament, there is a specific command of the Lord. Even now in our modern days, there is still a specific command coming from the Lord. That's how great our God is. Our God is a sensitive God, and He is fully aware of what He is doing. And He is fully aware that as we take the command, we are capable of doing that command. Since God is also fully aware of our capabilities.